When it comes to selling ebooks online and making money, a lot of people will brag and tell you that they've made a lot of money selling their ebooks. Some will tell you that they've made $10,000. Some will tell you they've made $5,000. Some will tell you $1,000. Some will say they've made $100K or even $500K selling their ebooks online. But only a few persons will be gracious enough to share with you the exact secret of how they are making these sales. And that is why in today's video, I want to share with you 3 practical ways to market your ebooks. So if you have an ebook and you have been struggling with sales, make sure to watch this video to the end. Try not to skip any part of this video because you will be getting value from this video, and I'm going to share the best secrets with you on how you can market your ebooks. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel, I talk about how you can make money online, how you can do stuff online that can help you make money and grow your business. So please like this video, subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell. Now, when it comes to marketing your products, there are facts, all right? There are facts that you need to know before you think about marketing your ebooks, or even before you create your ebooks. These facts are very, very important if you want to succeed in ebook business. Now, the first fact is that people don't just buy ebooks, they buy solutions. We are going to talk about the 3 practical ways for you to market your ebooks, but first you need to understand this fact. People don't just buy books, they buy solutions to their pressing needs. Your ebooks must be solving a problem. If you want people to pay you for your ebooks, your ebook must be clearly solving a problem, and that problem you can start addressing it from your title. Because if I'm seeing your book and I want to buy your book and I'm not seeing the solution in your title, I'll be thinking, what is in this ebook? It is your title that will grab their attention. For instance, a perfect example is, if let's say I'm a fat person, I'm obese, and I want to lose weight. If I see a book that says how to lose weight in 30 days without going to the gym, most people will buy this ebook, especially if the person is looking to lose weight. Are you getting it now? Because not everyone can afford to go to the gym. Even if they have the money, not everyone likes the stress of being in the gym. So they want to look for a better way to lose that weight without going to the gym. So if your book addresses its title that way, you can attract people. So when you want to sell your ebooks, make sure that you are actually addressing issues. You are making them become better with your ebook. That is fact number 1. Now, fact number 2 is that selling your ebooks does not happen automatically. When you start creating your ebooks, your sales will not happen overnight. Your success will not happen overnight. You will take some steps. You will make sure that you are doing a lot. You are staying consistent. You are putting out content. You're doing a lot of stuff to ensure that people notice you, because the focus is about growth. It's not just about selling. Once people smell that you want to collect their money, they may not give you the money. So you want to be able to position yourself as a solution provider and grow by continuously repeating your marketing if you want to sell more. Are you getting it now? You have to do that and take note of that. That's number 2. Number 3 fact is that selling organically will not bring you quick results. Yes, I wanted to say quick results, not just results. You might get a few results, but you cannot get quick results if you want to be selling organically. What we mean by selling organically is that you are just posting online using free methods, sharing online, posting, sharing links and all of that. That's a slow process. As you grow, when you start seeing your first sale, your second sale, your fourth sale, your 10th sale, you can start investing in ads. You need to invest in ads. That is what those people who are making it big, that's what they are not telling you. But I'm telling you now that if you want to succeed in your ebooks business, you need to invest in ads. Are you getting now? Ads will get you fast results. So these are the 3 basic facts that you need to keep in mind. If you really want to learn more about ebooks, you want to learn how you can succeed with ebooks, I have an ebook guide that I've created. I will drop it in the description section. All right, this is the ebook. Can you see it? This is the ebook. So go to the link in the description, check for it, and see how you can get access to it so that you can learn more about ebooks business. So we have established 3 facts now. So what are the 3 practical ways to market your ebook? Number 1 is social proof and testimonials. People trust results. Are you getting now? When they see that it's working for somebody, they will want to be part of it. When they hear that, okay, if I'm telling somebody that you can make money online with your smartphone, some of them will not believe. But when they start seeing testimonials of their friends that have done it and it's working, they will be more likely to pay. Are you getting now? So when you are doing your ebook, make sure that you have testimonials, make sure that you have results, make sure that you have screenshots, videos or audios of people that have tried your products and they have succeeded in your product. Are you getting it now? For instance, now look at this screenshot you are seeing now. This is one screenshot from one of my students who bought my ebook course. Are you getting now? This is another result. All right, are you seeing this now? This is another one. Are you getting now? So these are the things that people see and they will believe you and they will give you their money in exchange for the ebook that you are selling. Are you getting now? These are the things that build trust. These are the things that build credibility. So that is one way to market your ebook. There are different ways to do it, but this is number 1. Number 2 is that you need to start doing strategic partnerships and collaboration. Instead of selling alone, you can connect with people. Okay, you can connect with people, you can attend their event, you can partner with them to speak at their event, you can coach. All right, you can come in as a team player, as a contributor, and then at the end of your speech, at the end of your talking, at the end of your partnership, you talk about your product. Are you getting now? This is a faster way for you if you don't have the leverage. Okay, if you don't have the leverage, you can partner with people and tell them that, okay, promote my book. If there's a sale, you will take a commission. Are you getting it? Please let me talk about my book on your status, talk about it on your video content. All right, do a video about my ebook. Once people buy through you, you will get a commission. This is a strategic way to market your business, and that's number 2, which we call strategic partnerships and collaboration. That's the second way to market your ebook. Now the third one is content marketing. Okay, content marketing. I remember that I told you that you need to be investing in ads, but if you don't have money to invest in ads, you must focus on content marketing. You must make sure that you are online. You must make sure that you are putting out content that will caress people's mind, that will make people to want to ask questions. You want to be giving out value. Okay, you're not saying come and buy. You're not saying come and buy my book. Please, so buy my book. Help me, buy my book so that I will have something to eat. You are not saying that. All right, you are giving them value that will make them to want to come to your DM and ask questions. You should post on your blog, you should post on your social media, post on your Facebook, post on your Twitter, post on everywhere where people will see your content. These are the things that people will connect with and they will start asking questions. And once you can do these things correctly, you will start to see sales in your marketing. Remember that I said that you need to invest in ads. Don't just stay as somebody who is just posting online. When you start seeing sales, make sure to invest in ads. Like I told you before, there are different ways to market your business, market your ebooks, but this is just 3 practical ways. If you want to learn more about how you can succeed with ebook business, or you want to learn how to create ebooks, all right, I have a guide for you. All you need to do is to check for it in the link in the description, and I'm going to link it up in the comment section, so do well to check for all those things. I believe that you have gotten value from this video. If you got value from this video, please kindly like, make sure to subscribe, make sure that you also turn on the notification bell so that when I share content like this, you will not miss the value that I share on this channel. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.